welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit Coline filter using Lightroom Mobile, and this is before and after using this preset on some sample photos. First, go to Light. Exposure to -0.50. Contrast to -100. Highlights to -45. Shadows to 42. Whites to -100. And blacks to 100. Next, go to Curve. I've made these curves before. You can pause this video to make them. You can also get these presets for free. Just find password in this video. Next, go to Color. Temperature to 56. Tint to 20. Vibrance to 6. And saturation to -17. Next, go to Grading. For shadows, hue to 97. Saturation to 9. And blending to 100. For highlights, hue to 40. And saturation to 3. Next, go to Color Mix. For red, hue to 4. Saturation to 7. And luminance to -9. For orange, hue to 17. Saturation to -41. And luminance to -2. For yellow, hue to -44. Saturation to -80. And luminance to -11. For green, hue to -91. Saturation to -98. And luminance to 21. For aqua, hue to 30. Saturation to -38. And and luminance to 36. For blue, hue to 100. Saturation to -97. And luminance to 94. For purple, hue to 20. Saturation to -22. And luminance to 20. For pink, hue to 20. Saturation to -40. And luminance to 33. Next, go to Effects. Clarity to 75. Next, go to Detail. Sharpening to 20. Noise reduction to 13. And color noise reduction to 25. And last, go to Optics. Turn on Remove Chromatic Aberration. And done. You can copy these preset settings and paste them on other photos. And you can also adjust it again, according to your wishes. Okay, I hope you like this preset, and see you in the next tutorial.